In this video, we're going to be fixing this spacing issue here. And the reason for that happening is because we're using it as HTML, and I think we should use it as text when we are allowing blocks inside the content in here that may mess it up. So that's the first problem we experience here. So with that sorted, let's go in now to our admin panel. Now, the next thing I want to go ahead and fix is that inside our articles page, we do not have the category showing or even categories. So let's go into our article resource. I want to be able to see what category we have in here. And I think the first thing we can do in here is just say tables, column, select column, make categories, and let's see if we can. I think we just leave it as searchable for now. We also need to specify in here actually I think we just say categories the title up here instead. Instead of having a select filter, I think we're just gonna have categories here showing like this, but what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go in here, we're gonna make it searchable first and foremost. We're gonna make this as a batch, and we just gonna leave it like that for now. So if we go in here and try to edit one of these, we can actually select multiple categories. So let's go ahead and see what happens now. We have multiple categories being shown here, which is basically one of the few things that I think is really convenient here, because I want to be able to see what categories these are related to. Not only can we filter by category, but we also want to see the category here now when we have filtered it. So with that sorted, we now have the ability to view the category in here, showing it as a badge. We can also go ahead now and take a look at how we can improve this user experience a little bit more with a few more changes. So first and foremost, if we go back in here, I'm gonna give this a label of image. Media ID seems a bit weird to have, so we could even actually call it thumbnail. Just looks a little bit better here with that being said. We could go ahead as well and make it sortable for some of these. And now we can sort by these different areas here. So we could also make this one sortable, and we could even make the select filter, I think, sortable. So let's try and see if we can do that. And now we have this nice ability as well to sort them in here. For the categories table, let's go ahead and fix that as well with the media ID. That just doesn't make sense to call it media ID in the column here. We would rather call this again label image. And let's go ahead and make these sortable as well. And now we have the ability to sort between color and title and so on, which is brilliant. So I think that's actually everything for this video. This was just a quick video to fix this issue here. This will also fix an issue on the home page for what we did inside our test page here. With it rendering properly will also be fixed on the home page now if you had that issue. And just improving the table experience a little bit. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.